Right, friends. So for our project for this week, you're going to click on the country travel brochure. And on your screen, you're going to see your document. It'll say My Document. And down here, you have two lists of countries you can choose from. So you're going to open up this document, and we are going to go off of the project that we did last week, our country project. But we're going to practice using Google Docs. So you're going to choose a country. You can do the same country that you did on your project if you remember what that was. If you don't remember, you can click on one of these links down here. That'll take you out to lists of countries. Excuse me. Okay. So I'm just going to go with the country that I was practicing with last week, right? So we're going to make a travel brochure. So that means it would be a guide that folks would use when they're coming to visit your country. So I'm going to put Peru. You can make a fancy title if you want, like come visit Peru, right? Or whatever you want. You want to make it creative. And you're going to follow my guiding questions. So just like I did for your slides, you have every single section set up for you. So you need to answer each of these questions, right? Some of it will require you to do some research. Some of it will not. So right here for your why visit, right, saying include a paragraph about why people should come visit your country. So I may say something like Peru is an amazing place filled with culture. People should visit this country to gain an appreciation for different people, food, living styles, and architecture. Um, this country has a long history that is very interesting, right? I'm shooting for like 5 sentences here. The climate is also different and unique. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, one more sentence. Everyone should visit Peru at least once. Right? Beautiful. So you leave that for right now. You're going to go through, answer this information. Again, you may need to do research for this. So just like we did for our slides, right? We're going to go out to Google. We're going to look up what is the population of Peru, right? Whatever your question is that you're doing, right? You're going to click on a specific web link, right? We want to make sure we're evaluating it also. So we want to make sure that it looks like it's valuable. So I don't really like the look of this site here. I'm going to go to a different one because that had a lot of ads on it, right? But I can click for a different site to find the population. Okay, 33,084,374. Great. Here's just an example. So I'm going to go back into my document here, and I can format this however I want. So yes, you can delete these guiding questions, right? So population is 33 million. So we find 84,374. I think that was the right number. Yep. All right, cool. So now that we've done that, right, you're going to fill in all this information. You have this done. You find as much as you can. If you can't answer every question, that's okay, but you want to get as much as you can. If you are doing the same country as last time, feel free to look back into your slides and get information from there as well. Now we're going to go down to the formatting checklist here. So this is practicing all of those formatting things we did in Google Docs. So first, right, we need to change the font color, and font size of everything. So that means you're going to select your document, right? I'm going to change it to Comic Sans. I like using that font. I'm going to change the font of my title up here, right? I'm going to change the size. I'm going to make this bigger. This I'm going to make a little bit smaller, right? Just make it maybe a tiny bit smaller. And again, you can get as crazy as you want with this. You can, add as much as you want. You can make the headers different if you want. So like maybe right here, you might want to make the titles slightly larger, right? However you want to do this. But you're showing me that you can change the font size, and the font color. So again, you want to pick a color that is readable. So I'm going to change this to, I'll make it blue, right? And you would change everything here. In part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you the other formatting commands that you need to do to complete this project successfully.